Let's make mango rose yogurt bars. 3/4 cup thick curd. Smoothen it with the help of whisk. In another bowl, same way 3/4 cup curd. Smoothen it similarly. So now slice half mango and make the cuts. Take a grinder, add slices in the grinder. Make a fine puree. Add in the first bowl. Now mix it nicely. You can add little mango emulsion. This brings color as well as a flavor to the curd. This is optional, guys. For the sweetener, I'll add stevia drops 7 to 8. This is the most preferable sugar free. Put aside. Now take the second bowl. Add rose syrup to the second bowl. Mix it nicely. A little of stevia 7 to 8 drops and mix once again. Take any tray or a plate. Spread parchment paper on the top. Now spread the layer of mango yogurt. You need to spread a thin layer as we are making barks. So मोटी पतली आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हैं. So now spread dollops of rose curd or rose yogurt randomly. So take a knife and you need to make a swirls, horizontal and vertical. Even use a square. So now spread some chocolate chips on the top, some almond flakes, some mixed seeds, some dried fruits, that is cranberries or blueberries or raisins, whatever you wish to add. इसमें आप अपनी मर्जी के अकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हैं. My favorite Hershey's dark raspberry and goji flavored exotic chocolates. So this is optional, guys. I really love chocolates in the yogurt bar, so I am adding. अगर पूरा healthy version बनाना है तो then you can skip them. So yeah, freeze it for 1 to 2 hours. And the rose mango yogurt barks are ready. It's set. So let's cut it now. See, you can remove it easily. So cut it now the way you want. It's too good, guys.